Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make all of these cute pool noodle crafts that are just perfect for summer. So today we're going to start with our little crab. I'm taking my pipe cleaner and I'm just bending it with like a little angle in it. I'm going to make these 6 times. So they don't have to all look exactly the same, but as close as you can get it would be nice. Now I'm going to take 2 more of my pipe cleaners and my googly eyes, and I'm going to hot glue those eyes right onto my pipe cleaner. It'd be smart to hold the eye and not the pipe cleaner because you might burn your hand, and that wouldn't be as fun. I'm just going to do that with my second eye now. Glue it on. I usually just do 1 stripe of glue instead of covering the whole pack, so that way it looks a little bit cleaner on the back. Now I have my eyes all done, and I'm going to stick the pipe cleaner straight into the pool noodle. This is actually pretty easy. It doesn't give much resistance, so you kind of just pop it in where you like, and then next we're gonna take all of our little legs and stick them in kind of the same way. As I stuck in more of my legs, I just kind of adjusted the length to make sure that I liked how it all ended to make him look like he was ready to start crawling. Now you can dip the middle of your pool noodle into bubble liquid and blow some bubbles. Alright, now on to my cute little shark. I'm going to start by gluing on the eyes on either side of the mouth. Being careful to move quickly because this hot glue does fuse directly with the pool noodle. Now I'm going to use my white foam and cut out a bunch of little teeth. I got a little carried away and cut way more teeth than I needed, but it was still fun to practice cutting those triangles. See how many I made? Alright, next I'm going to use some of those teeth and glue them into our shark's mouth to make him a fierce little predator. I'm just gluing along the one side and sticking it right into the mouth. I decided to space my teeth on either side first to try and figure out how they fit best. You can cut your teeth any size you want. I wanted mine to be really big and extreme, but you can cut smaller teeth. It's really up to you. This is a fun and creative project. And I decided after I put these teeth in and played around with it a little bit that I wanted one more tooth right on the inside in the center, so that way it didn't have any gap and you could catch all those fish. So now that all of my teeth are on, I have one last step, and that's gluing on our back fin. So I just took hot glue and stuck it on, and now it's the perfect little addition for our sweet summer pool. Next, we're going to work on our fire-breathing dragon. I'm going to start by making its nostrils and gluing down 2 of my green pom-poms. I just think this is so cute. Once the pom-poms are on, I'm going to add on my eyes. So I just glued them down again with hot glue. And now I decided to decorate its top, making some spikes. So I decided to take my pipe cleaner and fold it into little triangles and stick them into my dragon. And I kind of made a crown almost of dragon scales. So I just kind of continued them along. I thought purple would be a nice color with the green, and then I moved on to silver and then back into green. I thought it just looked so fierce and so fun. Now I'm adding the fire into its mouth, and it's all ready for any type of party, really. Lastly, we're gonna make our pom-pom shooting pool noodle toy. So I'm gonna tie a knot in my balloon. And now I'm just gonna cut off the front end. Now I'm gonna use that and stretch it around our pool noodle, making sure it's all nice and straight on the back. And I'm gonna take my really cool tape and stick it right around the side so it's all nice and ready to go. Then all you have to do now is load it up with some pom-poms, and you have a great new weapon for any water fight or fun. Oh, it's almost like a party popper. It's so fun. And there you have it, our 4 different pool noodle toys. Thanks for watching.